What is going on, guys? Today, again, we're going to be working on the Jeep, but this time we're going to be doing the front and rear diff seals and changing the oil, cleaning them out, making them look real good. That one I'm going to need to grab a wrench. Now this gasket I'm going to leave loose, but not take off all the way. This is when I need my flathead. See. Look at that, if you can see all that come down. All right. Look at that. That's what a rear diff inside looks like for those who have never seen one. Alright, while I let the rear diff drain, I'm going to clean up the diff cover a little bit. So before we put this rear diff cover back on, we're going to want to clean it up and take off all this old silicone. What you're going to want to use, just a box knife is probably the best thing to get this all off. So I'm going to do that, get it all cleaned up, and then show you after.
Three hours later.
Perfect. Now that all that's drying, we can start cleaning up the actual diff itself. So I have my diff all cleaned up, ready to go. I'm just getting ready to install this new gasket right now. And I've never done gaskets before. I've always done the RTV sealant. Never had an issue. A little bit messier. That's why I've decided to go with the gasket this time around, but it's a little tricky, so bear with me. Alright, so now I'm just going to finger tighten all of them and then go get my torque bar. Perfect. Alright, so now that I got these all finger tightened the best that I could, I'm going to torque them down. I can't find my inch torque bar, so I'm kind of stuck using my big foot-pound torque bar that you're supposed to be using for like wheels and stuff like that. So I do have it set low. It's like 23.5 foot-pounds. And let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't snap a bolt. Alright, so I got the rear cover back on, torqued all down to spec, And the bonus thing about using gaskets instead of RTV is that I can go ahead right away and fill it back up with some fluids and start driving if I wanted to. Usually if you use an RTV, you're supposed to let it cure. I'm pretty sure like the actual cure time is 24 hours for a nice cure, but using the gaskets this time. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling this bad boy up. That's pretty much it. I know that wasn't the greatest video ever out there, but I just have to torque this last bolt down to spec, and it's pretty much good to go. Take it up and down the road a couple of times, and then I can always pop open this seal again, just make sure that it's not leaking or that there's a right amount of oil in there. So let's see how she goes. Alright, so the rear diff is all done. New seal, new thing of oil. I'm not going to tackle the front diff today. I was more or less concerned for the rear diff. I had to put a different type of oil into it because I'll be towing more, and that's what you're supposed to do, so I hear. But thanks for sticking out. Sorry for the video. I'm just trying to upload a little bit more, so I don't know if the quality's going to be there, but I'm trying to get a little bit more consistent on my uploads. Hopefully 2 times a week, maybe some more. And I promise, be giving you an update on the trailer build. That's kind of been set on the back burner for the time being. The diff was definitely a little bit more important than that. But until then, thanks for watching, guys.